Hello to the RBG show, where instead of a review video, take a look at my new gaming PC. To start off with the monitor, I have chosen a Samsung Odyssey 31.5 inch. I wanted a larger screen so I can more easily edit my videos and to try my luck with the curved monitors. And I wasn't disappointed, so the Odyssey G5 was a solid choice. It is a 2K with 144Hz plus 1 ms. The contrast is very good and the overall build quality is amazing. Didn't expect less from Samsung, to be honest. So let's get to the main part of the video and the unboxing of Neddy. The PC and the monitor were both bought on Auto.de, a German site, so the PC is a pre-build. I wanted to buy everything in one package so I have a warranty on the whole PC and not just on a part. And I got it on a 10% sale, and for the price difference I took an extra warranty, so it's valid until 2025, what is great actually. This is how my gaming/editing corner is looking right now. I have another 1080-60Hz Samsung TV to play my consoles on, like the Switch. And the next review is coming out probably next week, just to let you know. Of course I need RGB lighting everywhere, so I have bought myself a simple keyboard and mouse pad from Amazon. To get to the fine stuff, for my recording I'm using a Samsung G-Track Pro USB microphone and I can say I'm ultra satisfied with it. And of course my mid-ANC headphones. Sorry I don't have a gaming headphone set, but honestly I love them so much I'm not even considering replacing them. To get to the technical details, the CPU is a i9-10900KF Comet Lake. The processor base frequency is 3.7 GHz with a turbo boost to 5.3 GHz. The other fine stuff you see on the screen. To the RAM, I have 4x8 GB ballistics RAM and the motherboard is a MSI Z49 Plus. For the graphic card I wanted a 360 Ti or a 370, but I couldn't get my hands on a PC with that graphic card. I almost bought a Acer Orion with a 370 and a Omen gaming PC, but I had some problems with Amazon, so I bought everything on Auto. Now I have a 360 Palette Strom X, and at this point on the video you already see it's kinda short model, and well that's because it's a mini ITX model. Well, it isn't everything the size, am I right? Well, however, the capability of the card is the same as the regular size, and I found it great. It has a LED logo on it that can also show you the temperature of the card itself, what was actually really neat. So now to see Neddy in the action, I downloaded code Warzone. I made a small video gameplay segment with the graphics settings plus my FPS count. Just to say, I'm not a multiplayer guy, I don't play any online FPS games. So this was all new to me, so don't judge me please, I know how bad I'm playing. You see that the game runs at an average 100 FPS with a high and ultra settings, so I'm not disappointed with the performance of the PC. I could also lower a bit the settings to push it to 144 FPS to match the monitor, but I'm a gamer who plays PlayStation 1 games where the games drop under 20 FPS, so this was just alright for me. So I wanted to test the PC one more time but the proper way. And this is with the Boundary Benchmark. It is a ray tracing benchmark program to test your PC. And well, it struggled hard on the high settings, but on 2K with a balanced settings it has some solid performance. But for the 4K it is just too weak, what was clear from the start to me. So hope you liked my short unboxing/review of my new PC setup. Please, if you have any comments, please leave them down below. I'm curious to see what do you think of my setup. To help to support the channel, please ring the bell, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching, stay safe and take care.